Hi, welcome to K&M Homesteading. I'm Kenny, and today we're going to go over how we band our quail. We use 4-inch colored zip ties, the extra small ones. We will first get them ready. We use banding for denotation of hatch, and we also do blue for all of our boys. That makes it easy to look into the cage and know who's who. Alright, so we will get started. Alright, so this one is a girl. On these, we're using right leg green. So we'll pick out her right leg, put the band over, and tighten it down. We want it tight enough that it won't slip off, but not too tight so she has room to grow. We will then clip it off right up close. And that way there's no sharp edges. It won't slip off, but there's still plenty of room to move. Now, we've already banded this one, but I believe this is a boy. Let me double check. Calm down. Huh? No. This one wants to poop, but it's not a boy. Alright. So. Can easily tell on feathers, this one is a boy. So we will put a green band on the right foot, denoting our hatch for our records. Clip it off nice and close. Then we'll go to the left foot and add a blue band. Clip it off nice and close. You can make sure that they move freely but don't come off. There shouldn't be any issues with pecking or any of that as long as they're not too tight. So we've got another hen, so we'll mark this one. You can see it goes pretty quick. With 2 people and everything set and ready to go. But we do this because we don't put all of our breeders in from one single hatch, and that way we know when to change them out. I hope that helped. If it helps, hit the like and subscribe. We'll be coming to you with more videos as our journey in homesteading goes. Thank you and have a good day.